Hey guys, welcome back. This is Bernard from the BTNHD, and today I have a cool unboxing. It's all about the Razer Blackwidow mechanical keyboard. Ever since I've been playing around with those mechanical keyboards from Lenovo, I fell in love with them automatically. I went to Micro Center today to purchase a couple items, and I picked this up. Awesome price for 100 bucks. You can't go wrong. So let's do the unboxing together. So where would I open this up? So let's get our trusty knife and just open this guy up real good. There we go. Again, this is a quick unboxing. I think in the future what I'm going to do with you guys is I'm going to do a full hands-on review, but I just want to get it up and running because I need a keyboard right away on the spot. So what comes inside the box? This beautiful long black green box. Woo. Okay, so what we get? We get the keyboard, duh, right? Nice little plastic cover, get out of here. Oh my gosh, this thing is nice and solid and heavy. Wow. The cables look like they go inside here, so let's take it out. Oh, nice. Nice thick cabling. It looks like it's nice and insulated correctly. It feels just like the Lenovo keyboard that I've used. Let's take this plastic stuff out. So the keyboard cable comes with two USBs, and one for your headphone and one for your mic. So I'm assuming with these two cables, these two plugs right here, that this keyboard has, yes, on the side, you're able to plug in your mouse, and you're able to plug in your headphones as well as your mic. So that's awesome. That's an awesome addition with this keyboard. It's extremely solid. I believe it lights up in green. It's one of the reasons why I got it, because of the coloring. Awesome. What's next? We have a nice little instruction manual. Bunch of manuals. Awesome. Quick start guide of how to use it. Most likely I would definitely go over this. I'm excited. What's inside this little box? Nothing's inside this little box. False advertisement with the little box. Nothing inside. And that's it, guys, for my unboxing of the Razer Blackwidow mechanical keyboard. I'm super excited to hook this up, see how green it is, how beautiful, and see how it works. Again, the only reason why I got it is because I've been playing around with a lot of the Lenovo mechanical keyboards, and I just fell in love. You know, I had to return it, but I had to get my own. So I picked this one up. Leave comments right below if you do own a Razer mechanical keyboard. How do you feel about it? Leave comments right below. Don't forget about hitting that like button, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace out.